Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix no signal issue on your SONY KD-43X TV. So when you see the no signal on your TV screen, first of all, make sure that the device that you're trying to connect using an HDMI port is powered on. So just press the power button on the device that you're trying to connect and check if the issue gets resolved. But if you still see the no signal notification on your TV screen, then you're gonna have to check if the device is securely plugged to your TV. So check both HDMI port on the external device that you're connecting, make sure that the HDMI cable sits firmly, and also make sure that the HDMI cable on the other side is also firmly plugged into your TV. And if it's not the problem, if you still see the no signal issue on your TV screen, then try to cycle through HDMI connections. To do so, press the input button on your remote control, which is located right here, and navigate to edit, and let's add all the inputs that we have here by pressing tapping on each one of them and making sure that we see the checked circle icon on top of each of them, not the auto one. And now we can try to switch between different connection types to see which to which one our device is connected to. And so if you checked all the HDMI connections and you still cannot see your device in here, then try simply connecting your external device to a different HDMI input. You have the list of HDMI inputs on the left edge of your TV on the back side of it. They are listed from top to the bottom as HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, and HDMI 4. And so this way you'll know how to find the proper HDMI port on the input list. So just plug your device into the other HDMI port and see if it works for you now. And after that, the no signal problem should go away. And if it didn't go away, then it's most probably the HDMI cable issue, and in such case just replace it with another one. And if issue doesn't go away, then probably it's a hardware issue within one of your devices, either the TV or the other device. So if to check if the issue is within your TV, just try connecting another HDMI device to it and see if it connects to it. If it doesn't, then that's the TV hardware issue, and if it does, then it's most probably the issue of your external device. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.